Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add pages to Shopify store. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser and search for shopify.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, go to the online store embed in the left side menu. Now, access the pages section from the drop-down menu. Once you are inside it, you will be able to see all of the pages that are available. The contacts page is always available as a default page for every account, so just click on it to edit it. You can then change anything if you like. In order to add a new page, go back one step and then click on the Add Page button at top right corner. Now, enter the title, the description, and then change other settings if you want to. Once done, click on the Save button and you are good to go. So that's basically how you can add pages to Shopify store. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.